Get your bite. You got it? My turn. There's a huge difference it is. When you're doing something you actually love, it always turns out different. So, mussel delight. Mussel delight. Y'all, crack it open on me then. You're dressing it like a lemon. Broccoli, egg, avocado, crawfish, brains. I'm gonna put that on there like that. Like this. I'm so ready. I need a bigger spoon. Go ahead and get your bite. You got it? My turn again. Wow. Call me what you want, but there isn't nothing about falling about taking a line. For all you know, this universe is so big and so vast, there is no way for us to even fathom everything that's out there or in here that's unseen. We could be equivalent to bugs in somebody else's life. All right, let me get off my soapbox. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Hey y'all, it's your girl Miss Diversity coming at you. What's up, my D3 tribe? And if you ain't part of the tribe, then you need to subscribe. How's everyone doing today? Good, I hope. Y'all, today I am bringing you a seafood bowl plus rice mukbang, y'all. This is my leftover seafood, which I paired with some rice, and we got an avocado on top. To drink, we have some H.O. as always. Stay hydrated. And also, y'all, we have my protein shake. This one is just with water. Salute, y'all sippers in the house. All right, y'all. I'm gonna pull this up. Without further ado, let's go to get things and get to grabbing. Okay, so over here, y'all, we got some leftover head on shrimp. We've got some crawfish. We've got a boiled egg, some broccoli that's looking kind of pitiful, but it is okay. Fix this color. Oh, and we have like a mussel. There's some mussel left in there, y'all. This is so bootleg red, y'all. I'm gonna take it down. We got this propping it up, y'all. These potatoes are in here too. They look cute, look pretty. I'm not going to eat those because I'm going to eat my rice, y'all. Pairing with this today, we have our lava sauce. We have our spicy lava sauce, y'all. Check the description box below for the link so you can order yours. Gotta showcase the sauce. The sauce. The sauce. The sauce. Y'all, all your pre-orders have gone out. Yay, me. I had people inquiring like if they want. I was like, oh, look, it says weeks. I got that thing out 4 weeks ahead of schedule. Your girl good. All right, y'all. I'm hungry. What do I want? I want to buy the rice and some broccoli. Oh, the rice kind of warmed up the broccoli. Isn't it cute though? I did good, my little setup. sprinkle it. Let's see. You know what? I want a piece of shrimp on there too. There. Yum. There we go. Ooh. Get your bite. You got it? My turn. I have the other half, but I'll cut over here. Oh, my scarf wants to stay up. It's not going to stay. I just crossed my legs. You know when you cross them legs, you about to get the business. I took a nap today, y'all. I was struggling. Yesterday, we it was in Pittsburgh, made more lava sauce and packed and shipped lava sauce. I mean, like made it, like cooked it, jarred it, sealed it, like all of that. You already know that Lele is on the packaging line. You already know Lele is on the assembly line, y'all. She's in the packing and shipping department of the NV3 sausage, y'all. So she in part, actually she's huge in part, a huge help in getting y'all shipments out on time. I have my section and my stuff I do when she has her section and stuff she deals with. Y'all, I'm like in every hand of this lava sauce making, every hand of it, y'all. So, y'all know Dame recently turned 18. I don't know how y'all do stuff in your household. I don't expect my baby to go out and find an apartment or nothing like that. Or anything like that. But a joke, it's time for that joker to contribute, you know what I mean? At 18, there's going to be some type of contribution. So Dame is now on in the part of the lava's making process as well, which is a huge help. The first day was his first day making them with me. I gave him to the 15th of January, which was exactly 1 month after his 18th birthday, till I get something going. Or he was gonna have to join me in making the lava sauce. That's the agreement. So it was a little nerve-wracking, a little bit, but I could tell once you get the hang of things, it's gonna be like much easier for me. Much easier for me. Less time, and if I can cut back the time it takes to make your lava sauce, it could produce way more for you. You know, supply and demand. The prices will go down, down, baby, down, down. I mean, granted, I still gotta pay for my ingredients, remember? Y'all are still on sale. Check them out. Y'all been doing so good and supporting me that I'm keeping them on sale, like some sort of discount for the month of January, because I appreciate y'all. I do, y'all, for real. And I genuinely love making my sauce. I like making it. There's a difference in your work, in your product, when you're not just doing it for money. There's a huge difference it is. When you're doing something you actually love, it always turns out different. And the profit is a beautiful bonus, don't get me wrong. It's a nice addition. But you love doing it. But how rude of me. How's everyone doing today? What are you eating on? What are you drinking on? What is tipping on? How's your day? I hope that it was well. What is it? I should be Thursday. Happy Thursday, y'all. I'm gonna get this out for you. I want to get into this egg. Oh, it's still, y'all, crack it open on me then. You're dressing it like a lemon. Y'all, oh my God, this is going to be good. Oh my God. This is about to be so good. Let me see what I want to put. Okay, I want to put broccoli, egg, avocado, some shrimp, and a little crawfish brains. I'm gonna put that on there like that. Oh my God. This is gonna be a perfect bite. This is gonna be a perfect bite. Oh, this is gonna be good. Perfect bite. Perfect bite. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. I'm so ready. I need a bigger spoon. Oh my God. Go ahead and get your bite. You got it? My turn. Again. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. That was busting. That was busting. It's a leg. Legs of the crawfish. Nice tail. I know how to cipher it out, filter it out, sift it out. Oh, God. That was your fur. That's what it was. Oh, before we get to far, I'm going to see the crab notification shout-outs. I'm going to start the crab notification shout-outs. Crab. I'm going to start the crab notification shout-outs here. Thank you so much for being part of the Notification Tribe. I truly appreciate you. Ooh, it's gonna be spurt. Like always, if you'd like to be part of the Notification Tribe, all you have to do is read the first 3, the comment on my video and the shout out in the following video. If for some reason I think it's shout out on that particular video, I will double up, triple up, quadruple up on the following video I'll record and shout out. Then long story short, you can just shout out. Boo. Okay. Now on to the tribe. Insiders, your tribe insiders or tribe members who become part of the membership program. If they be part of tribe insiders, all you have to do is click that little join button that's below us. It says JOIN. Click on the little button and select which tier you'd like to be a part of. Or if that button is not working, there's a link in my description box below with 2 little rainbows beside it. Click on that link and it's gonna take you to the same place which you can select which tier you'd like to be a part of, and you can join the tribe. Insiders, and the tribe insider shout outs go to you. Thank you so much for being part of the tribe. Insiders, you are greatly appreciated. Thank you. And you. Thank y'all. Appreciate y'all. For real. Back to the scrumptious food, y'all. He still got his eyes. Make me feel a little barbaric. It's not funny. Like, I don't believe in needlessly taking lives. I think like every life is a life. Every life is a life. I don't believe in killing for fun. Like, I don't get it, because you're taking a life force away. Like, even when you're protecting yourself, still taking consideration that was a life, and this is wildlife. It's been here way before us. I mean, like even killing ants. Tell my kids don't be like, you know, what's that, killing things. I know you're trying to protect yourself so you don't get bit or you're getting bitten. But don't do it for fun. There's nothing fun about taking a life. There isn't. Call me what you want, but there isn't nothing about taking a life. For all you know, we could be equivalent to bugs in somebody else's eyes. This universe is so big and so vast. There is no way for us to even fathom everything that's out there or in here that's unseen. Like, you can't really. You're just going off what you believe. But you really don't know. Or what if something's sparing our lives? I'm just saying. How'd you like someone just frivolously take your life? I mean, even when humans frivolously take other human lives. You see what I'm saying? That's just how I feel. All right, let me get off my soapbox. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. What I teach in the house. come a long way because I used to be one of them people that like took joy in killing bugs as if, I don't know. When I look back, I don't like it. That's why in the beginning, y'all see me, I give thanks to my food. For having the food, for the life that was sacrificed. Actually on my plate, for the lives that were sacrificed or put in dangerous way or anything, like compromise. Because you don't know like everything that took to get this food that you're eating. Uh-oh, I'm back on the soapbox. Let me eat. But you don't. You don't know. You truly don't know. What all it took just to get this potato here. Truly don't know. I'm gonna make me a rice, an avocado, mussel delight. Mussel delight. Mussel delight. I'll be smacking my butt off, don't I? Got tied up, I'm tired of it too. Hey, why are you smacking? You don't think I know? I'm tired of it too. If you didn't know, you didn't know I had a stroke. So that puts my bite off. And then I have a bad tooth over here, so my teeth don't fit. My teeth don't like line up all the way anymore. So my bite's off when I chew. Plus, there's parts of my mouth, my jaw, my throat that I lost feeling in, and I have yet to regain that. So I'll be trying to bite myself, okay? But because even though I have those issues, I'm not going to stop eating. Yeah, but smacking be like, oh my God, be editing that video, shut up. I mean, some of you may like it, but I'm not big on it. I be editing my videos, so I'm like, cringe. Ooh, so when you say it, it's like, okay. You don't think I know that? Oh, that shit don't got everywhere. Did I bust one down in there? Possibly. Who knows? There's songs stuck in my head. Yeah, no songs be stuck in my head. What I was just listening to right now is them hair juices be good. My house, Beyonce, me and my thug babe goes live. I'll put it on an Instagram reel. I've been getting ready to go to class. If you're on Instagram, follow me. Miss University Real. That's how I be for real. Get ready to go teach. I be getting it. I had to get hype. You know what I mean? I'm teenagers. Hype for them. And I just be excited about teaching things I love. I'm telling you. When you be doing stuff that you love, it hit different. I'm blessed. Definitely blessed. than the creator. I'm blessed. Doing things I love. Be able to live doing things I love. I'm blessed. Anyway, that song's in there, in the reels. I never even heard of the song prior to the reels. I be finding a lot of songs through making reels on Instagram. That's in my head. And then another one. It keeps going. I keep playing it. I'm gonna have to make a video, some kind of video off of it now. Miss Netta. Although I found her before she made that song. She came up with my suggestions. Oh, or he, what is, I don't even know the pronouns. Because on this video that I saw that came up in my possession, or her video that I saw that came up in my suggestions, he said he never did state that he was a he or a she or something like that. That's how I found the video, because it was in my suggestions. And I was looking one night. But I digress. The song is Charles, your lunch is ready. I only cook for you. Charles, your lunch is ready. I got dessert. Look at my head. I want to make it. I need a volunteer so I could get Belle to sing the song. That's for real. I'll sing my pillow. I ain't that desperate. I mean, I'm not desperate at all, but you know what I mean. So I've been cycling between them two songs, y'all. I'm doing a jig, or when I was singing the Charles, your lunch is ready. No, when I was singing Me and My Thug Babe Go Outside Tonight, and the lady said, "What thug babe?" I said my pillow. She went, oh, she started laughing at me. Oh, I think that was some donkey. That's delicious though. For good. I'm gonna finish this rice up, this shrimp. Oh, look at that, 2 and 2, y'all. Oh, cute. Oh, they got rocks on. We will not sacrifice your lives in vain. You will be eaten though. My other half, my avocado back here. I'm gonna smash him in the morning probably. What? Some eggs. I've been slacking on my eating in the morning. I need to pick it back up. I'm hungry. Charles, some things be stuck in your head. I saw it be stuck in your head. I swear to be spells. Well, words are spells. My clapping orange. Fried that. Throw to the side. Ooh, to this bread. All right, guys, we come to the end of my program. Thank you for joining me on my seafood and rice mukbang, y'all. Look at that. Oh. Starring our live song. Check the description box for the link so you can order yours today, y'all. They are still discounted. Always gonna be spread for the entire month of January. So go ahead and get your sauce, y'all. If you're having trouble with shipping, email me. If your shipping is extremely high, states like New York and California, and that's another one. Y'all shipping is extremely high. But I do have ways to making it cheaper. I ship all my sauces by weight. I ship everything by weight because on the grand scheme of things, it comes out cheaper that way. And my sauce is, it's in glass and it's a little heavy. But in states like California and New York, I can ship you over, if you have like a certain amount, up to a certain amount, I can ship you over to a flat rate shipping and get you some cheaper shipping charges. Like, email me. I have that slide on the site, but some of you may be missing it. So now you know, if it seems extremely high, email me and let's work something out. Don't let shipping be the cause of you missing on getting your lava sauce. Like always, if you like what you see and you want to see more, please be sure to hit that subscribe button. Hit subscribe and become part of the tribe, the D3 tribe. Thanks to everyone who already has, y'all. We are on the way to 27K. Yes, baby, we're on the way to 27K, and I appreciate y'all. Welcome to all the new tribe members. Turn on your post notifications to be notified of in every video that we release. Turn them on to all. Comment below and let us know that you're there. Share because sharing is caring. Please give this video a big old like or a dislike if it's your cup of tea, and stay tuned for more. Once again, please be sure to check the description box for everything, all your social media handles, y'all. We're active on Facebook. We're active on TikTok. We are active on Instagram, y'all. Follow us on all those social media handles, y'all. Also, the link to get your lava sauce is in there, y'all. We have the lava sauce and we have the garlic merb and the garlic merb kick, y'all. Everything that you need to know with the description box below. Check it out. Description box below. Until next time, peace, love, and lots of hair grease. Deuces. Happy Thursday, y'all.
Burst of tea. Miss that burst of tea. This is the
We gonna let the band deal with this.